Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Money Way TV. If you are into skincare production, you already know that label printing can swallow your entire profit if you don't do it the right and smart way. Let me give you a real life example. One of my students wanted to print a label for her new aloe vera cream, and when we went to pricing, the shop told us 200 pieces of label for 9,000 naira. Wow, that is about 45 naira per one. They also said 1,000 to 1,200 pieces for 48,000 naira, bringing it to about 40 naira per each label. In their own mind, they have given us discount. Now let me tell you, how will a small producer survive like that? Your target label cost should be 10 naira or below, but the market is giving 40 naira, 50 naira, 60 naira per label. Today, I'm going to show you the exact low-cost label printing method I use for myself, step by step, without owning a printing press. And if you feel the process is stressful or too far from you, you can hand the entire printing job over to me and I will run it exactly the way I do mine, professionally and at a very low cost. Now let's get into the real process. Step 1. Design your label. First, design your label. You can use Canvas, CorelDRAW, Photoshop, or even your phone. Make sure your design includes product name, ingredients, usage direction, batch number, manufacturing and expiry date, brand name, and contact information. Step 2. Layer the design on an A2 layout. Duplicate your label on an A2 size layout so you can calculate how many pieces fit into one sheet. Let's say it fits 16 label per A2 sheet. This is what helps you know your final cost per label. Step 3. Make the plate. Before printing can start, the design must be transferred into a plate. A plate is a metal or polymer sheet that carries your design and transfer it onto the paper during printing. No plate, no printing. So after preparing the layout, you take it to the plate producer. Step 4. Screen impression setup. Next, you take your place to the screen impression operator who mounts it on the machine and prepare for printing. Step 5. Buy your paper. You buy A1 art paper in bundle. One bundle contains 250 sheets of A1. Cutting each into 2 gives you 500 sheets of A2. Buying 2 bundles gives you 1,000 A2 sheets. Step 6. Print. Hand the paper to the operator and let the printing begin. Step 7. Cut the labels. After printing, you cut the labels from each A2 sheet into individual pieces. And just like that, your labels are ready. Now let's do the mathematics. If each A2 paper gives 16 labels, then 2 bundles, which is equal to 1,000 A2 sheets, gives us 1,000 times 16, which is equal 16,000 labels. Cost. Paper will cost us 30,000 times 2, which is 60,000. Plate will cost us 15,000 naira. Printing will cost us 15,000 naira. Cutting will cost us 5,000 naira. Total is 95,000 or approximately 100,000. Cost per label. 100,000 naira gives us 16,000 labels, which means each label will cost us 6 naira 25 kobo. If your carton contains 72 soaps like mine, it means that 16,000 labels divided by 72 pieces of soap will give you 222 cartons worth of label. Do you understand? And if you want to have this quantity, the cost will be paper 30,000 naira. The plate is 15,000 naira. The printing is a fixed price of 15,000 naira, and the cutting is 5,000. You have a total of 65,000 naira. So the output will now be 500 sheets instead of 1,000 the other time. 500 sheets times 16 labels on each sheet will give you 8,000 labels. Cost per label will now be 65,000 naira divided by 8,000 copies, which is 8 naira 125 kobo, which will serve you 111 cartons if your carton contains 72 tablets of soap. So in conclusion, that is exactly how to get low cost professional label for your skincare products. But if you don't have the time, the strength, or printing press near you, I can help you run the entire printing process from start to finish at low cost, so you can focus on production and profit. And that is it, my people. Now you've seen the full breakdown of how to print your product labels at the cheapest cost possible, for designing your artwork to plate making, cutting, printing, and even calculating your cost per label. If you got value from this video, please don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with any producer you know, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next tutorial. I'm here to guide you step by step on your production and branding journey. Till I see you in the next video, keep producing, keep improving, and keep profiting. Peace.